Righto, tally ho there champs, and I'm excited to do this giveaway. I'm excited for the person who wins this because this Dell G7 is no joke. It has an i9. Yes, I'll say it again, i9. The most powerful chip you can get in a laptop today. A 6GB GTX 1060. It's worth over 2K Australian. Now, I will talk about what actually you're going to win in a sec. I'm going to tell you how you can win it. But first of all, if you've just come here for the giveaway, that's fine, that's cool. But as it says in the title, it's ANZ only. It's Australia, New Zealand. So if you're from overseas and you know someone in Australia or New Zealand, share this video, tell them to enter this competition. So someone's going to get the chance to start their New Year's right with this Dell G7 gaming laptop. And yeah, the thing is amazing for gaming. It is a gaming laptop. i9 GTX 1060. You already know how good those specs are for gaming. But right here with this G7, you have unlimited possibilities. You have the tool here to do whatever you want. Not just gaming. Start your Twitch channel. Start your YouTube career. Content create. Photography. It has an SD card reader. Videography. 3D. All those creative possibilities this Dell G7 will do with a plumb. You can do anything with this. There are no limits. Like some laptops, they don't have the power to do what you need. This has the power to do what you need. And it's relatively affordable. I mean, there are many laptops with these sort of specs or even lesser specs. Some of them don't even have i9s. They cost a hell of a lot more. This G7 gives you the tools to do whatever you need, and it's even great for music production too, because that i9 screams with audio doors. So if you want to know what this gaming laptop's like, go have a look at my G5 review. Pretty much the same thing, other than you have more options on this and it's finished a little bit better. So if you win this, you're getting the G7 top of the line. So to enter this contest, it's really simple. Tell me how this G7 will help you realize your New Year's resolutions. Leave your Twitter handle, follow me on Twitter, subscribe, and this awesome G7 may just be yours. That's all you have to do is comment down there in this video. I will have another video because the winner will be selected early next year. I will not be selecting the winner, Dell will, or Dell's representatives. Now what you also have to do is be a subscriber, follow me on Twitter, and I need you to follow me on Twitter because that's probably where I'll be contacting you. And then in the comments, leave your Twitter handle as well and what game you're playing. I want to know what game you guys are playing, as well as what you'd like to do with this laptop. So anyway, I'd like to thank Dell, Amy. This is not sponsored. They asked me if I'd like to give this away and I said, sure, I'd love to give away a Dell G7 to someone, one of my viewers. That'll be friggin' awesome. You're gonna love the laptop, I know that. Tell me how this G7 will help you realize your New Year's resolutions. Leave your Twitter handle, follow me on Twitter, subscribe, and this awesome G7 may just be yours.